It's time for Gorilla News. This is Gorilla, the news anchor. It turns out that Genki is now having trouble with birthday present for her two sons, Gentaro and Kintaro. What kind of worry? Here's an interview with Genki herself. Can you listen to me? My two sons have already told me what they want for their birthday present this December. I asked them what they wanted, and Kintaro said, Dragon Ball. There's no such thing. Kintaro told me that if he collects 5 more balls that are the same as the red and blue ones he has now, he can become Son Goku. 5 is a lot. I asked the keeper for 1. Next is Gentaro. He's going to be 11 years old this December, and he wants the magic carpet that Aladdin uses. Why do you want it? I asked him. He said he wants to be right on the carpet and go see Annie at the Higashiyama Zoo. Well, I would like to let Gentaro have a date with Annie at least once. I just have to ask the zookeepers for one of those special blankets and fool around with it. Both Gentaro and Kintaro are really pure. Can Genki prepare the birthday present for them? Kintaro heard about the magic carpet from his father Momotaro. Momotaro is responsible for this. This is the end of the news. See you next time.